Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 4 impressive benefits of Banaba tea and how to make it. Banaba tea is an herbal preparation made by brewing the leaves and flowers of the Banaba plant. The corosolic acid in Banaba tea helps manage blood glucose levels. Drinking Banaba tea regularly aids in healthy weight loss for those struggling with obesity. The anti-inflammatory properties of Banaba tea help treat chronic diseases. Banaba tea is known to aid in dissolving kidney stones. To make Banaba tea, you need dried Banaba leaves, water, and a sweetener of your choice. Add 2 teaspoons of the dried Banaba leaves to a pot with a lid. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil and pour it over the leaves. Steep the mixture for 3 to 4 minutes, then strain and add honey and serve hot. While you are impressed by Banaba tea's benefits, make sure to consult with your doctor before trying it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.